Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to delete your Google account. First, you need to go to Google app. So if you can't find it, search it in your app menu. Now go to Google app and click on your profile at the top right corner. Now select the app, select the Gmail you want to delete. So I am currently in the Gmail that I want to delete. So I'll just go ahead and click on manage your Google account option. It will take me to my Google account. Now you just need to click on data and privacy. Now you just need to scroll down till the end and find delete your Google account. Click on that and you see that you are now in the page of deleting your Google account. So I suggest you to read all these before you delete your account. It says that if you delete your Google account, all the Gmails and all the YouTube contents, your contacts and your Google Play apps will be deleted if you delete your account. So read it carefully, and after you're sure that you want to delete it, check on these both and click on delete account. And after that, your account will be deleted. So if you have mistakenly or accidentally click on your delete account option, then you need to click on recover your account. Type your email and click on next. So after that, you need to enter your password and click on next. And you're done. You have now recovered your Gmail account. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.